Register vanilla gift card. How to use vanilla gift card. So if you want to register or use vanilla gift card, by registering, first of all, maybe you want to activate or check the balance of your vanilla gift card. For that, go to the official website, which is vanillagift.com. So on vanillagift.com, which is the official website, you can see the option called activate your card. So if you're talking about activation, just click on the activate your card button, enter your card number and other details, click on continue, and you'll see the activated status of your card, and you'll also see whether or not it's activated, and you'll see the amount of balance. Now the second question remains how to use it online. So when you talk about using it online, vanilla gift card by nature, you can see itself is just a Visa card as well. So any website or e-commerce or shopping platform, whenever you're on the checkout process, if they accept a Visa card, you can use your vanilla gift card there. The only thing over here you have to understand is that, let's say you're using on Amazon and you want to use your vanilla gift card, you don't select the option called add a gift card. What you have to do is you have to add it as a normal credit or debit card. So on Amazon, you have to add your vanilla gift card as a normal credit or debit card. Similarly, on Walmart or DoorDash, when you're on the payment method page, you can see the Visa card, so you enter your vanilla gift card as a normal credit or debit card as a normal payment method. Now another thing is, if it asks you for the name on the card, right, because sometimes they might ask you for the name of that particular card. If there is a name on the gift card, perfectly fine. If there isn't, you can try some generic names like gift card options and so on as such. Another thing is, if it asks you for a zip code, now 90% of the time they won't ask you for a zip code, but if it asks you for a zip code, in that case you simply enter the zip code of your billing address or the shipping address of the order. Just remember that if you want to use your vanilla gift card online, you have to add as a normal payment method on any of the websites that accept a Visa card. And to activate it, you can go to vanillagift.com and activate your card from there. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.